I used AI to try escaping being broke, and it happened changed the way I look at making money online. This video, I'll show you the exact steps, the mindset shift, the AI tools, the simple skills, the sample offers, and what I would do if I was starting from zero.
Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how I used AI to create a simple plan to start moving away from being broke.
Now let me be real. AI did not magically make me rich overnight. This is not a get-rich-quick story. But AI helped me think differently, create faster, and take action. When you're broke, it can feel like every door is closed. You want to make money, but you don't know what skill to learn or where to start. The internet gives you too many options: dropshipping, trading, courses, crypto, digital products, freelancing, and it gets confusing fast. What I realized is this: when you're starting from zero, you don't need a complicated business. You need one useful skill and one simple offer. AI changed the game because it helped me learn faster, create faster, and organize ideas that used to feel overwhelming. So I made a simple AI plan. Pick one skill, use AI to practice, create 3 samples, make a clear offer, and reach out to people who need help.
The first step was picking one skill. I chose content because every business needs attention online.
Businesses need captions, hooks, short video ideas, posts, and simple scripts, and AI can help create those much faster. I used AI like a teacher. I asked it to explain how to write better captions, hooks, and short scripts for beginners.
One prompt I used was, teach me how to create social media content for small businesses as if I'm a beginner. Give me examples and explain why they work.
Next, I needed samples, because before people trust you, they need to see what you can actually create. For a gym, I created a sample caption: stop waiting for motivation, build discipline one workout at a time. Simple, clear, and useful. For a car detailer, I created a transformation idea: watch this dirty car turn brand new in 30 seconds. People love before and after content. Then I turned the samples into an offer. Not something confusing, just a simple service people could understand. I organized the samples in a simple document with the business type, the idea, the caption, and why the content could work.
The offer was, I create 20 social media captions and 10 short video ideas for local businesses. Clear, simple, and useful.
Clear offers win because confused people do not buy. A business owner should understand what you do in 5 seconds.
You can find people on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Google Maps, Etsy, and local business pages.
If I was starting from zero, I would help local businesses first: gyms, barbers, restaurants, salons, car detailers, and real estate agents.
Look for businesses that already post, but their captions are weak, their hooks are boring, or they are not posting consistently. The message can be simple. Hey, I made 3 free content ideas for your business. I think they could help you get more attention online. Want me to send them over?
What AI really did was help me stop overthinking. It gave me ideas, structure, examples, and speed. The big lesson is this: escaping being broke starts with becoming useful. AI can help you become useful faster, but you still have to take action. If I had to start again, I would pick one skill, create 3 samples, make one simple offer, and message people every single day. So I used AI to escape being broke by changing my approach. Not by waiting for magic, but by using AI to learn, create, and offer. Make samples, reach out, improve every day.
Thanks for watching Fast Money Marion. Remember, AI is only the tool. The money comes when you use that tool to solve real problems for real people.